Hello air sign, how are you all guys? So this is the video we are going to be check for the July month prediction for love life and career, for overall like how it could be for the air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's start the reading now. Oh, I just getting a lot of cards. I just want to go with one or two cards more. Oh, anyway, I'm getting a lot of cards, but it's okay. Okay, for the bottom of the deck, we get the Chariot. So the first card we get the Temperance, and second card we get the Eight of Pentacles, and the third card we get the Emperor, and the bottom of the deck we get the Chariot. So guys, something is ending in your life. Because I can see some kind of painful moment have been happened in your life overall. It could be any of your status like career, love life, whatever the situation could be. You guys will be like more patient. You guys may go into some kind of spiritual things, or you guys may be involved in some kind of spiritual things. I can see very clearly on your past. I can see that. Okay, so now you are gaining your power. Some kind of divine support is there in your overall in your life. I can see some kind of divine support is there for this July month, and you will be see some kind of clear picture in your life. Okay, whatever the situation could be. So the person, for example, this could be resonant for a very particular set of peoples, because if at all you have any kind of problems in your career life, especially you, if at all you face some kind of problems with your senior person, or else in your manager, in your workspace, whatever the situation could be, whatever the condition could be. So I think some kind of like clarity will be there, some kind of revelation will be there, and that person will try to help you in this July month, where that person was not be very supportive, where that person was not be very helpful on those moments. Now this person will be try to bring some kind of improvement in your life. He will be try to support you. Okay, because I can see you have been gone through some kind of dark night of the soul with this Temperance card. I can see that, but you are still balancing your life through the experience you have. Okay, even though you are been upset, even though you are been very emotional, even though you are be very sad, but still you are gaining your power with this Eight of Pentacles. I can see that you are putting your like hard work on the thing which you want to be get success. So I can see somebody is there in your life who try to be support you on this journey, even though this journey is being like a tough, even though this journey is being like a hard for you for right now situation. So somebody will be there to support you in this moment, and especially I can see some kind of divine intervention is also be happening in your life. Okay, so I think divine may try to help you in some cases for some persons. Okay, and even though you are be very painful, but I can see that you are gaining your power. You are trying to be have your faith. You are putting down your faith on the divine and trying to be start some kind of new challenges in your life. Yes, you're trying to be take some kind of new challenges in your life. So again I can see some kind of symbol over here, like two horses and as well as two goat over here. So again I can see some kind of people will try to be support you, even though you face some kind of disturbance in the past. So that will be comes to an end, that will be comes to some kind of clarity. Well, those enemies who have been try to defame your energy, so now that person will be turn in a right way to help you. So that is be like a miracle over here. So the person you have been dealing with in the past, somebody will try to be make your energy into the negative energy on the past. So right now I can see that those person will be favorable for you in this month. Those person will be like a good friend, may help you in a many ways in this month. But anyways, I can see that you will be gain your power for all the air element. I can see that you will be gain your power, but still you will be on your low key, because some kind of lessons you have been learned on your past. So that's the reason you want to be maintained into the low key, where you don't want to be exaggerate the things in a very higher way. You don't want to be like make the things to be seen in a very big picture. Whatever I can see here is overall you are going into the low key situation, and that is a good thing, by the way. And I can see that with that behavior you will be gain your power in this month. Okay, but still for some air element, still the situation is not bringing some kind of good opportunities in your life. It could be like a 50-50 kind of situation. So overall, I want to guide you that go with the low key, but the situation will be definitely get improved in a better way. I can't say that I can sure about it that 100% there will be some kind of like changes will be there. No, it's not be like that. There may be a 50 to 60% of a good changes will be happen in your life overall in this July month. Okay, so again I want to guide you that please maintain a low key. Whoever you are getting the support, whatever the situation could be, yes, you can trust this person. They will definitely help you in a right way. They will definitely guide you in a right way, but still maintain a low key, so that you will feel the independent over you, and as well as you will try to be focused on yourself. Okay, so these are the messages I can see on for this July month. So I hope this could be a stream with you for the air sign. So see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care. Please give your support. If at all this reading resonated with you, please give a like, share and subscribe, and thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to the channel. So in this channel you can see the monthly prediction for all zodiac sign for the career, love life and everything. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care. Bye bye, Air Element. Bye bye.